Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Would you like a midi humidifier, a diffuser, and beautiful scenery all in one? That's exactly what I got with this wonderful diffuser from Fuliying. This mini diffuser acts as an awesome humidifier so that you can get a nice flow of steam coming out the top. On the inside part, you can see that it's a three-dimensional scene that has beautiful raindrops that start flowing shortly after you turn the diffuser on. The scenery that it creates is really peaceful, especially when you can alternate between the different colors that are all muted colors that match perfectly with this diffuser. The diffuser plugs into your outlet so it will continually run, or you can set a timer so that it will go off after a couple of hours and enjoying that peaceful tranquility. The diffuser itself is entirely made of plastic, so definitely treat it with care, but the concept of how much steam that you get out of it, how much of the diffusing that you get out of it, it emits a really wonderful scent with my oils, and I love that 3D scene in the center. It really is so peaceful and calm looking. The raindrops come out slow enough so that you don't have to worry where you put it. It doesn't splash at all, but rather you can enjoy that peaceful scene. And that's my point of view.